I had some problems with my brush cutter because I had the cracked fuel line, and the fuel was flowing from the tank, and I had fixed it so that the line was cracked here, and I took the remaining fuel line and I connected to the carburetor, but it was too short, and I had one of these sets on my shelf, and it was fitting perfectly for my Chinese brush cutter. And I know these fuel lines are not the best quality, but you can buy these sets for a very cheap price, and it is very useful if you want to work with your tool and you have some problems. You can take one of these sets from the shelf, and you can repair your machine. I think even this rubber sealing fits for the commonly Chinese made brush cutters, but if you forget this sealing and you are just using the fuel lines, this set is for a very good price, I think. And I bought 3 sets because I have a couple of brush cutters, and I have broken fuel lines, I have cracked fuel lines, and so on.